Yeah, I know it's quirky, but I like it. I think it's cool. Couple little eBay lights, little flexi guys. I don't know, they like them. They're black. Got the little arrows on them. They got the fluttering light effect. I'm going to slow it down a little bit, but I think they look good. They need a little plug in the end there. Might chop off some of this just to make it smaller. Dress it down a little bit. But yeah, for what I paid for them, I love the fact that they're little arrows and that they flutter. That's what it's called. I think it's cool. Get that little river effect. Yeah. So that'll be the lights for this year anyway. Cool. All right, let's go on to the next item. Oh look, the box arrived again. This is the third damn time I've tried to unbox this, man. If it's not a video card, it's a microphone. It's not a microphone. It's just some idiot screwed up the focus or something on the film. I don't know. Anyway, this is the saddlebag. This is a Viking bag. It's too damn dark. I ordered it. Got it on sale. It's a good deal. But I don't know. Might use it this year. But the color is just. It's dark. It's really dark. I'll set it up here. Hey, price tag. Here's the seat. So you can see the two of them just aren't non-compatible as far as I'm concerned. I may use it for 1 year and then take it off and put something else on. Give you lots of hardware. Great stuff. Nice big beefy plates. I mean, if you were mounting this on a Dyna, I bought it for a Dyna, but you can mount them in several different ways. You can use pieces of this, whatever. I have my own way of mounting it. I usually make my own mounts, but they got a couple of pieces in there I can use. So, I don't know, might use it, might sell it. Don't know. Anyway, it's now, February 28th. So, in the next week, it doesn't look like the weather's going to clear up. So, I think what I'm going to do is we're going to grab that Indian Scout 60 out of the shop, which is freezing cold still. And we'll bring it inside. Yeah, this is a nice bag. They do have some nice stuff. It's got a liner in there and a zipper right there. I know it's hard to see. The light in here sucks. But yeah, nice little clasp right there. I mean, it's a nice bag. Get it to work. There we go. And you can lock it down, put your own little padlock through there. It's only plastic though. I mean, people want it in there. They get in there. Nice hard back. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice bag. Too bad it wasn't a lighter color. And they don't make one any lighter, so. So yeah, another week we're gonna probably drag in the Scout, and we're gonna finish the bike indoors. Get our painted powder coated stuff on and get it looking good and get it ready for next month, I guess, April, or whatever. Anyway, we'll be starting that soon. So, till then, ride safe. Later.